Hello everyone, my name is FuzzyPainter487 aka Jacob. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own custom game in Hive, Minecraft. Now go to chat box and type /CS. You will get this screen and press create server. Then it will show you that screen and choose any game you like. I'll press Sky Wars. Now it's time to do how many people you want for your team. And then once you're done, you're joining in the game and you have this redstone repeater, I think. It's not repeater, and a redstone and the paper. Those are the custom things that you can use for customizing the world. So I will not customize, and I will show you if I want to. So it's starting. So bye guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something in this video. And the next video I will post an Among Us video. So bye. Bye.